Hello everyone, my name is Christopher Villaper Talakap, and I'm here to present my PT in math. And tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-solve ng synthetic division. And our first problem is x to the fourth power minus 3x cubed minus 11x squared plus 5x plus 17 divided by x plus 2. So, ito nga po pala yung results or kakalabasan niya. And tuturuan ko kayo paano ito nakuha. Sa second page naman, nire-write ko lang yung yung problem. Ito yung problem natin, x to the fourth power plus negative plus minus pala. X to the fourth power minus 3x cubed plus 11x squared plus 5x plus 17 divided by x plus 2. So, ito nga pala yung dividend natin. Ito. Tapos, ito yung divisor. So, kukunin natin muna solve muna natin siya yung divisor. Kukunin natin yung value ng divisor. So, para makuha yung value ng divisor ay ganito. X plus 2 is equals to 0. So, ito-transpose lang natin to dito. Cube minus x 11x squared plus 5x plus 17 divided by x plus 2. So, ito yung dividend. Tapos, kukunin natin yung value muna ng divisor. So, x plus 2 is equals to 0. Tapos, ita-transpose lang natin tong 2 dito sa 0. So, magiging sagot niya ay x is equals to negative 2. Sunod naman natin yung gagawin. Kukunin natin yung coefficient dito. And the coefficients is x is equals to 1. The coefficients of x is 1. And here naman ay negative 3. Negative 3 coefficients. Tapos dito, 11. Negative 11. Negative 11 coefficients. And 5. And lastly, 17. So, sunod naman natin gagawin, i-rewrite natin ito dito. Ilalagay natin. Wait lang. So, negative 2. Tapos, magdodraw lang tayo dito sa baba ng line. Yan. Next step natin, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin ito makukuha. Ayan, itong mga numbers na nandito. Una natin gagawin, i-drop muna natin yung first coefficients dito. And next step naman ay i-multiply natin yung itong coefficients dito sa negative 2. Negative 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Negative 2. Sorry, nalito. And sunod naman natin ay gagawin natin dito. Pagpa-plus natin. Add. So, negative 3 plus negative 2 is equals to negative 5. Tapos, next step naman natin, kukunin naman natin yung ita-times ulit natin to dito. So, negative 2 times negative 5 is equals to positive 10. Tapos, next naman, add lang natin to. So, negative 11 plus 10 is equals to negative 1 kasi magkaiba siyang sign, kaya naging negative 1. Next step naman, negative 2 plus times negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 1 is equals to 2. Positive 2. And sunod naman, pagpa-plus lang natin to. I-add natin. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. So, next step naman ay negative 2 times 7 is equals to 14. Negative 14. Huwag nyo malilimutan yung negative. Once na malimutan nyo yan, magkakamali kayo. Tapos, 17 plus negative 14. So, magkaiba siyang sign. Ang mangyayari ay mamaminus imbis na plus. So, is equals to 3. So, normally na nangyayari guys, lumalabas sa last number natin ay 0. So, this is will serve as a remainder. So, sunod naman natin na gagawin ay i-rewrite natin yung final answer. So, ito is magiging x to the magiging 3. So, if it's this one, x ganyan. Gets nyo? Gets ko rin eh. Tapos, if this 5 is equals to negative 5 squared. Ito, nire-write natin yung mga pagkakasunod-sunod nila. So, x cubed minus x minus 5x squared minus x plus 7. So, may tinatawag tayo na quotient plus negative r and d. Remainder and ulit. Meron tayong format na quotient, positive, negative, remainder, r over divisor. So, ang gagawin naman natin dito para makuha natin yung final answer ay wait lang, usog ko para makita nyo. Kokopyahin natin to. Kasi nga ito. Sinabi ko kanina. X cube minus 5x squared minus x plus 7, then plus 3 over x plus 2, and this is the final answer. Ayun lamang po. Ayun na po yung final answer. Kasi nga po, kinapin natin to, tapos kinuha natin tong remainder, tsaka divisor, yung equals ng divisor. Gets? Remainder and divisor, tapos kinapin natin to. That's it. Thank you for watching.